being successful as an investor is finding an investment philosophy that fits your own emotional makeup such that you can be rational when you are wrong. I'm wrong a lot. This is a humbling business. When I am wrong and it's because of something I hadn't considered or a risk I was unaware of, that made it hard for me to be rational. But when the stock went down and it was a risk I had considered, stocks always go down more than you expect, it was much easier for me to be rational, make high quality decisions when I'm wrong, which I think is a lot of what being an investor comes down to. That's very important. As an investor, you have to either panic early or double down late. And you just have to be one of the two. And it's really hard to be both. And for me, I'm a double down late. I'm always buying stocks on the 52-week low list. It really makes me uncomfortable when a name is in the consensus. Sometimes consensus is right, but it's important to me to be contrarian.